Welcome to Housey. Today our topic of discussion is hidden charges incurred while taking a home loan. So let's start. Basically there are 4 hidden charges in home loan process. First one is processing fees. Second, home loan insurance premium. Third, franking charges. And fourth is IGR, that is notice of intimation. So first one is the processing fees. It is the fees that bank charges for processing the home loan application. It may be in percentage of loan amount or a fixed amount. Basically processing fees जो है it varies with the different categories. Like for salaried or self-employed professional like lawyers, CAs and doctors, ये एक fixed amount रहता है and it ranges from 5,700 to 10,500 for say loan amount up to 75 lakhs rupees. Now this processing fees increases if you are self-employed non-professional. इसमें ये जो है it is in the terms of percentage of loan amount. So let's suppose you are taking a loan amount of 50 lakhs rupees, so it will be 0.5% of the loan amount. So it will be 25,000 rupees. Now if you are self-employed non-professional banking surrogate, in this case when a bank gives you a loan based upon the बैंक ट्रांजेक्शन, जब आपके आईटीआर के बेसिस में वो लोन नहीं देते हैं, आपने आईटीआर कम का फाइल करके रखा हुआ है बट योर आपका बैंक का ट्रांजेक्शन ज्यादा है, तो उसके बेसिस में जब आपको लोन देते हैं तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट और आपका जो प्रोसेसिंग फीस है वो और इंक्रीज हो जाती है एंड इट इंक्रीजेस रेंजेस फ्रॉम 0.75 to 1%. सो अगर आप इस केस में 50 लाख का लोन ले रहे हैं तो आपका प्रोसेसिंग फीस विल बी 37,500 to 50,000 rupees. Now this processing fees is divided into 2 parts. The first one is the initial payment. So bank usually demands the initial check before processing the home loan application. Or this initial payment varies from bank to bank. Like for example, in case of salaried person, in India Bulls they are demanding rupees 1100 as an initial payment. In HDFC they are demanding as a 2,500 rupees as an initial payment. Now comes the remaining processing fees. So this is the remaining amount of processing fees which client needs to pay after he or she gets the sanction letter. So initial payment before the sanction letter at the start of the process, and the remaining processing fees is after you get the sanction letter. One option is also कि भाई आप ये जो processing fees का remaining amount है, you can add up in the loan amount instead of paying it in upfront. So this is also an option. So the benefit of this option is that in case your home loan application get rejected, so आपका पूरा processing fees doesn't get forfeited. Only the initial payment get forfeited. And last but not the least, processing fees is negotiable and you can very well negotiate it with the bank. Now coming to the second point, that is home loan insurance. So this is the insurance plan. Under this plan, insurance company settles any outstanding amount on the home loan with bank in the event of death of the borrower. So इसमें जो प्रीमियम है वो डिपेंड करता है लोन अमाउंट पे, but for a loan amount say 50 lakhs rupees, your premium will range from 45,000 or 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees depending upon कौन-कौन से प्लान्स आपने परचेज किए हुए. So इसमें यूजुअली क्या होता है, जो ये कंप्लीट प्रीमियम है 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees, दिस कंप्लीट प्रीमियम जो है क्लाइंट को अपफ्रंट नहीं पे करना है. दिस कैन बी एडेड इन दी लोन अमाउंट. सो इसके लिए बहुत सारे क्लाइंट जो होते हैं वो इस पे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते क्योंकि उनको अपफ्रंट पे नहीं करना पड़ता है एंड दे in hurry they choose whatever the plan that is being suggested by the bank representative without going through the terms and the conditions and the pros and the cons of the scheme. और also bankers also वो आपको at the start of the process नहीं बताते हैं कि भाई you need to take the home loan insurance also, and usually clients लोग को जब sanction letter आता है तब पता लगता है या at last जब banker बताता है कि सर आपको इसमें home loan insurance लेना पड़ेगा तब उनको पता लगता है. तब तक थोड़ी सी देर हो चुकी होती है एंड वो एक मजबूरी हो जाती है उनकी कि लेना ही है. So even at the start of the home loan process, kindly make sure कि आप ये पता कर लें कि आपको home loan insurance का कौन सा प्लान ये लोग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. And banker will tell you कि it's mandatory to take the home loan insurance, but it is not at all mandatory. And I will urge you to have a look on our video जिसमें कि हमने बताया कि difference between home loan insurance and home insurance and which one is better and which one you should opt for. Now coming to the third part, that is the franking charges. So franking is a process of confirming the payment of stamp duty. So जब भी आप stamp duty पे करते हैं, so it is a tax payable to the government for legalizing document. So ये franking charges पिक्चर में कब आता है, जब ये आपकी प्रॉपर्टी रजिस्टर्ड हो चुकी होती है, then at last you need to visit to the bank for signing of the loan agreement. So in order to legalize that loan agreement, you need to pay the stamp duty. सो ये जो स्टैम्प ड्यूटी है, जो फ्रैंकिंग चार्जेस है, वेरीज विद स्टेट टू स्टेट. So in case of Maharashtra, it is 0.2% of the loan amount plus 218 rupees as a cess charge. So in case you are taking a loan of 50 lakhs rupees, let's suppose, तो आपका जो प्रोसेसिंग फीस रहेगा, जो आपका जो फ्रैंकिंग चार्जेस रहेगा, इट विल बी 10,000 प्लस 218, दैट इज 10,218 रुपीज. और इसके लिए आपको कहीं पर भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दैट बैंक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव विल डू एवरीथिंग फॉर यू. Now coming to the last point, that is the IGR, that is notice of intimation. So this is the intimation to registrar कि that your property which you have purchased and registered is mortgaged with the bank. So this notice of intimation is mandatory and has to be done. ये आपको 30 दिन के अंदर कंप्लीट करनी ही है from signing of the loan agreement. ये जब से आपने रजिस्टर्ड की है प्रॉपर्टी तब से नहीं, जब आप लास्ट में जाते हैं लोन एग्रीमेंट साइन करने के लिए, जब आपने फ्रैंकिंग पे किया है तब से 30 दिन के अंदर आपको ये इंटीमेशन कराना पड़ता है. बेसिकली इसमें 1300 रुपीज ओरिजिनल चार्ज होता है. अगर आप खुद कराते हैं प्रोसेस तो आपको 1300 देना, और एल्स आप बैंक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को बोलते हैं तो ही विल चार्ज यू मोर 500 to 1000 रुपीज मोर, बट ही विल डू दी ऑल प्रोसेस. तो आपको ये हेक्टिक नहीं होगा. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट पेइंग दिस intimation of registrar, notice of intimation within 30 days, so you have to bear the penalty. That will be 1% of the loan amount. And so these are the 4 main points. And यहाँ पर ये ध्यान रखें, you don't have to bear any other service charge to the bank or the bank representative. आपको इसके ऊपर से कुछ भी नहीं देना है. जो भी चार्जेस बताए उसके ऊपर आपको कुछ भी बैंक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को भी नहीं देना, ना ही बैंक को देना. So everyone, this is the complete overview of the topic home loan hidden charges incur. So if you have any queries related to this topic or anything related to real estate, kindly comment in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel Housey for such real estate education videos. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching the video.